Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Dalgona candy. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients and tools ready. You'll need just two main ingredients, granulated sugar and a tiny pinch of baking soda. For equipment, grab a small non-stick pan or a metal ladle, a heat source like a stove, and some parchment paper. Don't forget your cookie cutters for shaping the candy later. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's start cooking. Place about 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar into your non-stick pan or ladle. Heat it gently over a medium-low flame, stirring continuously. The sugar will gradually melt and transform into a beautiful, clear amber liquid. It's crucial to keep stirring to prevent burning and ensure an even melt. Once all the sugar crystals have dissolved, and it's a smooth syrup, you're ready for the next step. This is where the magic happens. Immediately remove the melted sugar from the heat and add a very small pinch of baking soda, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. Stir it quickly and vigorously for 5 to 10 seconds. You'll see the mixture transform, becoming lighter in color and puffing up. As soon as it's foamy, pour it onto your prepared parchment paper. Work fast, as you have only about 15 seconds to press your desired cookie cutter shape into the warm candy. After shaping, let your Dalgona candy cool undisturbed for at least 5 minutes. It needs to harden completely to achieve that satisfying crispness. Once firm, gently peel it off the parchment paper. The traditional challenge is to carefully break away the outer edges without damaging the imprinted shape in the center. This sweet, caramelized treat is a delightful challenge and a fun snack to share with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.